Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this lattice stitch or maze stitch. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, go on making chain crochet stitches. Make as many as chain crochet stitches you want as per your project. I am making it for tutorial purpose, so I won't be taking it more. It hardly 24-25 I will be making. Okay. Once you are done with your chain crochet stitches, just skip the stitch which is after current loop, which is on the needle. Okay, we will skip that stitch, and next to it we will make a single crochet stitch. Done with a single crochet stitch. Now we make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, we will skip 2 stitches from where we started, and in third stitch we will make a single crochet stitch again. Again we will make 3 chain. This is like a pattern, so like you have to go on repeating this. Now make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, skip 2 stitches from where you started, and in third stitch make a single crochet stitch again. So we have to repeat same thing all along the row. So I'll just complete this row and I'll show you. See, we are almost done. Now for the last stitch we will make a single crochet stitch in that stitch. Then make a chain crochet stitch. So this is how it looks. Make a chain crochet stitch and turn your crochet work back side in front. Okay, now in first stitch itself we will make a single crochet stitch. Okay, now make 2 chain crochet stitches. Now see, and we are going to make a single crochet stitch in this, not in from that middle stitch of that 3 chain crochet stitches, around that middle stitch. See, around, I have taken needle from down. See, first I'll make this 3 chain crochet stitches. See here, I'm not taking it from that stitch, from inside that stitch. I'm taking it around that stitch. Yes, this is how we will be taking a single crochet stitches. Rest pattern is same. 3 chain crochet stitches, then make a single crochet stitch around the middle stitch of the chain of 3. No, don't take it from the stitch, take it around the stitch. Okay, now by end of the row we will make a single crochet stitch where we made a single crochet stitch earlier. Then we make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Again, in the first stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. Okay, now we make 3 chain crochet stitches. It's like in one row we start with 2 chain crochet stitches, another next row we will start with 3 chain crochet stitches. Rest all pattern is same. Just remember, one row you start with 3 chain crochet stitches, another row you have to start with 2 chain crochet stitches, and you have to go on repeating the same. Alternate 3 2 3 2 3 2. Then like you get straight edges, and don't forget to make the single crochet stitch in first stitch. Okay, so and rest pattern is same. Make 3 chain crochet stitches, then make a single crochet stitch around the middle stitch of the chain of 3. Okay, I'll just make some rows, 10 or 7-8 rows, so you will get a better idea. I'll show you. So this is how a lattice crochet stitch or mesh crochet stitch looks like. Okay, see, edges are so straight, nice square. So please follow the pattern as I've told you, and you will get the same design. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha, and if you like the video, like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.